Hey guys, back with another video. I don't really know where we are. I think we're in Death Valley or something. I'll show my face. Yeah. So I think we're in Death Valley. I don't know, I'm just walking up here. I might see a random person, I don't know. Okay, I'm coming. Yeah, I think they're digging here. Let's see what this is. Holy cringe. Probably can't see it, but it's cringe. It's cringe, people. Okay. Yeah. I think this is new houses or something. I don't know. Yeah. Why is there something? Oh, hey. Hi. Hello. Oh, hi. I'm recording a YouTube video. So it appears we've met somebody. So what do you...
I'm in your video. Hey, you want to be in my video? Hey.
Yeah, hi.
Hey, this is Finn.
I can't see anything. That's what we already saw.
Okay. Well, let's go.
I don't really know where we are, right?
Yeah, let's go over there.
Yeah.
Over there.
We're just doing some gaming here.
I should have took my selfie stick. It would be way easier to hold, right?
Yeah. But I showed them down here.
Oh,
It's so cringe though.
ow!
I know.
Oh, look what I just got in my hand.
You cringed up. So subscribe, leave like to see where we are, because I don't really know. Yeah. So just subscribe, please. Oh, these cringes.
Do the cringy dance.
It appears that we're entering Houseland or something. It smells like new stuff.
Deja vu. Nobody here. That's
Do you know where we are?
no.
Yeah, me neither, people. So
Guys, we got my big brother to drive us over here. It was at least 2 hours
yeah,
before we got here.
but he
He
just
said he would be back in 2 hours again.
yes.
Because he's with his friends.
Whoa, they're doing some digging right here. I don't know.
Well, you put it that way. I have to face cam.
I don't.
I have face cam, bro. I should have done this on my iPad. What do we
Whoa, look at this. It's like, do you smell that? It's like new. It's like tar.
Do you smell that? Big old yeah, for him on TikTok.
I'm a YouTuber.
Okay, that's creepy. Is this a what? It's another sewer.
It's a Pennywise sewer. You know Pennywise actually lives here, so you might want to cringe up. You might.
Want to take them to Death Valley?
Yeah, I don't know.
There's a
33 minutes.
yeah. It's been. What? Who was that? Okay, guys, that was not planned.
Yeah, that was not
Let's
planned.
go check it out.
Like, and yesterday we went on a big hikes here.
On that mountain.
Yeah, right. You probably.
So that's
It's pretty good. It's pretty good cringe actually. Don't look at the sun, peeps. That's. They can actually see my shadow, so they know where I am. So there's like a bunch of cringe. There might be people in here still. Like that was not planned. Like, yeah, neither.
Okay, we're not gonna go. Let's take them to Death Valley.
Wherever it is. Why do we even walk up here? Because I'm so cringe that I eat cheeseburgers. Dude, that's covered in tar. Yeah, like
Or
this.
in abandoned places, like oh, I almost stopped recording. Like that. There's tar all over it. What the fuck?
Yeah. This is not the place to be. But I wish there was like a smell cam. So if they,
I just hit my toe.
I wish they could smell what we're smelling right now.
Yeah. Smell it through the camera.
Yeah,
That was
smell it.
insane. Oh, okay, now I smell it really bad.
Ooh.
So,
That
yeah,
cringes
we're
me
gonna
up.
Go to Death Valley, which is over there if you guys can't see it.
Right there?
Probably can't see me.
Probably can't. But I don't know how we're gonna get.
How are we gonna get there if we're going up and it's supposed to be? We're so stupid, guys.
Are we serious? He left me one day. I don't really know, but he left me. Like, look at all that. It's like tar and stuff. It's like smelly and stuff. So never go in like a abandoned construction site. It just smells bad. It looks weird. Stuff like that. Oh, concrete. It's kind of weird. This is not a place to be. Like that door moving, that was not planned. So yeah, it's like most cringiest place. Feels like there's like people here, like coming to eat us or something, like Pennywise. So it's pretty cringe actually. So I don't know why they would like. There's some cringiest stuff. What? I cannot hear him for 1 second. I don't know why, but yeah. Just going. Look at that dumpster. It's like no meaning to this video. We just recorded a Roblox video. So yeah. He might get a YouTube video today. I don't know. I don't know what it would be called. It's probably going to be poopy diapers. Probably will be, but cringe. Cringe. Yeah? No. How are we supposed to get? There's crowbars. Yeah, it's cringy. There's people coming. There's people coming, so. I don't want to go down, but I do want to go down, so. It's more like cringe than binge. Down there, so. I don't. So, it's cringe, but it's binge. Like, don't know why. It's so cringe. Oh. I don't know. It's kind of. I don't want to climb that, but I got a case on my tablet, so I'm safe. Case. Are you showing the viewers really cool stuff?
Sorry guys, I didn't get that on video, but hey, let's watch him try. Okay.
But yeah, so we don't really know what's happening and stuff. He said, and
some people went all the way that way. Let's try to climb up.
I'm not climbing up there.
I'm climbing up, bro.
Last time it took me an hour.
Yeah, it really did. You tried it before?
Yeah, so.
Right when we were leaving, checking this area out.
Whoa, there's like iron and stuff. Look at it.
Yeah. Okay. Well, yeah,
there is a bunch of ore. Comment down below if you like Minecraft. Everybody has to. We don't even know what your YouTube channel is, because this is just a video. What?
Where can I drop this, bro? This.
No climbing up for you.
Hey, Sam. Nothing ever stops me.
But it stops me. I can just do this. Oh, go bye-bye. Go bye-bye, no.
Let's take selfie. Look at this selfie, bro.
Oof.
Yeah.
I oofed. I pooped my pants.
Did not move. Okay, it's
Can you care? Can you?
not a flip. I have to help him. I hate helping people.
Stand right there. It's pretty good.
Oh, that's pretty good. That looks like a nice back screen. You were to have that.
Yeah. I don't know how
Put my back screen on this iPhone. Way better.
I don't know how to get up here.
Stupid. Here, I'll show him. Right here. Struggling.
Struggles of life.
Wait. Struggles
Hashtag.
of life. Hashtag struggles of life, bro.
No, don't leave it there. Just. Don't leave me here. Don't leave me here. I'm not ready to
I
die.
actually almost fell right there. Oh, I spilled the
Yeah, no, I'm not going.
Wait.
Viewers, we're going somewhere else.
Guys, you know,
Break my neck. Jackson. I think I'm kind of stuck.
Death Valley's officially trapped him.
There, I'm Gucci now.
He's like actually stuck.
Oh, did you see that? Okay. I think. Yes, I saw that. I didn't.
Look at this. You see this rock? It moves.
I'm gonna try to explore somewhere else where you haven't gone yet. So, yeah, viewers, we might end this video soon, but probably not. You know some of those YouTube videos that like are cringy?
You can't wait to see you all the way down there.
How are you up there? Oh, I know how to get up. I'm cringing up. Oh, I just got dirt on me, but. Ah! Okay, I got up, guys. You get up? Okay, you got up. Oh, they got up with me. Hey, Jackson. These guys are so cringe. That hashtag, have you ever done this before? Because if you have, you don't want to. Where are you going? I can't find you. You did? I didn't yet. Okay, guys. I still haven't given up. Like, yes, with you. You could easily get a rolled ankle. Okay, guys. We have to get up here. Whew. This is a good workout for you. Just stay fit. Don't die. Whoa, that's me. I'm just gonna get up here. That'll be the end of the video, guys. Oh my god. Okay. Oh. Oh my god. This is hard, guys. I'm gonna stop the video. Pardon me? Yeah. I haven't given up yet, like you have on your viewer.
Hey guys, if you guys are watching his channel and you've watched mine, which we don't know my channel yet, we'll probably leave it in the description.
Yeah.
My phone has died, so my video stopped. I'll have to do mine a different time. But other than that,
We're gonna do
let's keep going with you.
insane parkour.
Yeah, there's parkour over here. And
That's not fair. You don't get to hold anything.
you want me to record in part 2?
Maybe.
I'm
If this stuff is all.
Can you move a little bit? Sorry, I just want to do good.
If quarantine isn't over. This isn't part 2.
I'll call it quarantine edition.
But this is only part 1.
Yeah, I'm just gonna do a part 2 for me since mine edited.
Yeah, maybe. There's a spider. Do you see that? Oh, you don't
Okay.
see it. It's too
My
small.
intro's gonna be right over here.
Is it even started?
No, it's starting in 3. Wait. Right?
Insane
3,
parkour.
2,
Oh!
1. Wait, I should probably do it the other way like you. 3,
Probably.
2, 1, go.
Whoa, guys. This
Hey
is.
guys, I'm back with my part 2 video.
Whoa!
Oh, that was scary.
I'm
but
not doing all the parkour.
We're doing part 2. Well, for me, my phone died before.
Or did it?
We did it, but
Some of these rocks are super cringy, so
yeah,
you might not.
we're just doing part 2 of ninja parkour, basically. Right?
Squats.
If you remember, Death Valley.
Ooh! Don't poop on me.
Attraction and stuff.
Yeah.
So, only
Hey, why are you so much ahead of me? I got 12 subscribers. Do you think I should go this way? Yeah. I think. Oh, I almost fell. Yeah, guys. So. Oof, oof. Guys, I'm almost ready to cringe up. After we do this video, I have to edit it a little bit, or not really. I'll just post it because everything is good how it is. This is the cringe life. It's getting actually kind of creepy.
Yeah, it's getting really creepy, guys.
We were way over there before.
Bro, no wonder why the storage is full. Look at this.
You know, I'm still recording. Oh.
I'm sad now. I'm just gonna restart. Bro, what's happening here?
You're so cringe. I'm so cringe. You are not cringe to me. I'm gonna get I hope shout out to my friends and stuff. So shout outs.
No, this is Wi-Fi.
Dead love. Yeah, so you must have to be in mine now.
You're gonna have to watch his channel. I'll do part 2 eventually when I get my connection back.
Ha!
Clear out my storage on a USB. What the flip here? Guys, show him.
I can't. See.
Oh, flip. Guys, look at this rubber.
Where's your phone?
It's in my pocket.
Okay, good.
Literally,
I thought that was your phone. Oh!
flip. We're getting injured. Hardcore, bro.
Okay, guys.
Hardcore. I'm the king of the castle.
Well, it's not
And I
cringe.
can't get the rascal.
I thought I was gonna fall there.
Yeah, you're gonna break your iPad. No more viewers. No, nothing, guys. If we lose our followers and everything,
We
I don't
die.
think we'll do any more YouTube.
Whew.
You know-
Okay, we got out.
Okay.
When we get to my house, we'll end the video. It's already 18 minutes.
Well,
Oh,
we're not really gonna end it at your house since my
or we should just end it right here.
brother's gonna pick us up. Here, let's go over here and end it in this field.
In the middle of death. I'm still coming for ya, Jimmy boy. Ooh, I rolled my ankle there, I think. Holy! Why is it so clear?
We're in Victoria here, not Texas or anything like that.
Yeah, no Texas.
Not Texas.
Okay, so
Okay, can I come over? Yeah.
I just doesn't do that.
Oh, wait.
Bye-bye.
Guys.
Bye, guys. Hope you like this video, because we almost died, so.
Yeah,
So, bye, guys.
bye.
Hope you subscribe, leave a like. Bye. Bye.